Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Triple Sec, a liqueur made from the skins of oranges, ranges in alcohol content from 15% to 30%, depending on the brand. Cointreau, a proprietary orange liqueur made from sweet and bitter orange skins, is stronger, at 40%.
Take our lead.
Perhaps unsurprisingly, he recommends using Cointreau instead of a cheaper alternative. You want to make sure you get a well-balanced margarita, so you need Cointreau rather than a cheap orange liqueur or triple sec, he said.
Take our lead.
Cointreau will make the drink lighter and brighter, with a stronger citrus aroma. Grand Marnier will bring weight and oaky sweetness. If you're substituting Grand Marnier for Cointreau, consider reducing the other sweeteners in the drink slightly to account for its added sweetness and weight.
Take our lead.
Substitutes for triple sec. Cointreau. Can Cointreau substitute for triple sec? Curaçao. Time to be in for a twist. Grand Marnier. This is yet another smooth alternative to triple sec which can be used at ease to make margaritas. Brandy, grenadine, maraschino, orange extract, oil, and zest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.